Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 2, guys. I am glad you're here. A lot of people have reached out and asked me why I'm not talking through all my videos. Well, I'll tell you, No Bra Zone number 2 is in Asheville, and I paint in our storage area that's about 15 feet wide and about 35-40 feet deep, and right outside is our garage and other people's garage. So sometimes there's a lot of noise going on out there. People coming, people going, garage doors opening, and the unit next to me has a dehumidifier in it, which is great for when my paints are drying, but it can be quite noisy. So if I'm not talking, it's not that I don't want to talk to you, it's that it's busy down here. So I hope that answers a lot of your questions. We are working today on a 10 by 30 edge gallery wrap canvas that I got from Blix, and I'm playing with the cloud pour a little bit. In this yummy cup right here, we have a mixture. First, let me show you the consistency because it is very, very thin. Guys, what we've got going on here is 1 part paint, 1 part Liquitex pouring medium, 1 part Golden Gack 800, and about a half a part of Floetrol, and then water to consistency. How much water? A good amount of water, guys, so that your paint leaves almost no trace whatsoever when it hits the paint below. Our base coat today is Vaspar Signature Satin Enamel Pure White, because I am out of my Bear paint, which I absolutely love, and DecoArt Satin Enamel in the soft linen, because I am out of the pure white. But that's okay, it's a nice warm white. So I'm not unhappy with that. And our other colors today in this yummy cup right here is Artist Loft Soft Body Acrylics. They say they changed the name in the black. Right here we have Golden Fluids Iridescent Silver. And ModernMasters Metallic Paints in the Black Pearl. So we're just going to be fiddling a little bit, guys, and I'm glad you're here to join me. I have painted Artist Loft White along the edges of my canvas. Now the reason I do that is because my paint is so thin, and when it runs off the canvas, it sometimes leaves you know, some areas of the canvas that you can see, and we don't want that to happen. So let's put some tunes on for you, put some tunes on for me, guys. Let's play, let's get busy.
kidding. We can't pretend that we feel nothing, but if you're game, I am willing.